So let's take a look at this numerical expression, 8 minus 7 plus 1. I have put two answer choices over to the side, and I want you to pause the video and see if you can think about, make a choice. Does this expression equal 2 when you evaluate it? Or remember, that's just solving. So does this expression equal 2? Or does this expression equal 0? So, I wonder what you chose. Let's take a look at it. If we don't use the order of operations, here is what you may have done. 8 minus 7 equals 1, and then 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay. But we have to always use the order of operations when there is more than one symbol in an expression. We have to use the order of operations in order to evaluate it, in order to solve it correctly. So let's use our order of operations, which we know is parentheses, exponents, multiply and divide, whichever comes first from left to right, add and subtract, whichever comes first left to right. Okie dokie, here we go. So let's start at the top of our order of operations. Does this expression have any parentheses? Yes. Yes, it does. So we have to solve what is in parentheses first. First. We have to solve it first. So 7 plus 1 is what? It's 8. So I'm going to cross that out and put an 8 underneath it. Well, now everything else in the expression has to be copied exactly in the same order that it was originally written, in which it was originally written. Now my new numerical expression is 8 minus 8. So I go back to the beginning of my order of operations and I say, are there any parentheses? No. Any exponents? No. Remember, that's 6th grade. Is there any multiplication or division? No. Is there any addition and subtraction? Yes, there is subtraction. So 8 minus 8 equals 0. 0 is the answer to 8 minus 7 plus 1. It equals 0. Let's try another one. 8 times 16 divided by 2. I bet you already know what you have to do first. Order of operations says that we do what's in parentheses first. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Bring everything else down exactly the way it was. And our new expression is 8 times 8. And we know that 8 times 8 is 64. So 8 times 16 divided by 2 is 64. That's pretty easy, isn't it? On your whiteboard, solve this next one. Pause the video and solve this next one. 32 minus 20 divided by 4. Evaluate that expression and then come on back. Welcome back. 32 minus 20, what would that be? Yeah, you got it. 32 minus 20 is 12. I have to do what's in parentheses first. 12 divided by 4, and that equals 3.